first step is to log into your Scalefusion account and navigate to the Allowed Websites section within Device Profiles and Policies. Click on Allow a Website and enter the name and URL of the website that you want to allow. Click on Next and configure the Android, Apple and Windows settings if needed. Then click on Save. Now go to Device Profiles and click on Create New Profile. Select Windows, enter a name for the profile and click on Submit. Go to Allowed Websites and select the websites that you want to allow on the device. Click on Create Profile and enroll your devices using this profile. We can see on the device that no other website except the allowed website is opening, and the browser displays an error saying that the website has been blocked by the IT admin. You have successfully allowed a set of websites on the device and blocked the rest.